Today's technology, it has placed a bird in the hands of man. Let us see what wisdom is hidden within this.
So many buttons. What could possibly be the purpose of them all?
Subhanallah. What a beautiful blend of nature and science.
Name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. I have not yet fully understood the wisdom.
Do not worry, my friend. Before every great flight, one must first learn how to fall.
Subhanallah. It sees the world as a bird does. From up here, everything looks so different, so peaceful. The landing. Woo-hoo-hoo. The landing is a more difficult art than the flight itself.
So the lesson learned is this: new things may seem difficult, but with effort and patience, every height can be reached. Until the next video, Allah Hafiz.